I have been wanting to share this gold chain with you for a long time. You see, it is really convenient because it can accommodate the three of them in places that are usually out of reach. Use the face towels every time and wipe them all over the house. When I bought this, I brought a pack of clean and wet wipes with me. They can be used for wiping after cleaning. The dust absorption effect is super good. This towel is used to wipe the oil stains in the kitchen cabinets that are out of reach. Use this small mop on dirty areas, spray water on it twice, and just mop it over. After rinsing the mop, I can operate it with one hand. It is a convenient mop that is very practical in the kitchen. It can be used to filter out the large amount of foam on the stove, and it will settle the leftovers on the table. You don't need to wipe it with a rag for a long time. This spray, it's actually a great idea. Just spray the dry water stains on the mirror and wipe it off directly to see if the effect is perfect. It would be great to put one like this in the toilet water tank. It is different from the ones you usually use at home. I used a homemade transparent water tank to show everyone. When it rises and covers the side of the joint, the liquid will automatically come out. This is because the pressure of the water is very strong and the weight is very light. When the water is pushed out, the cover will automatically close to reduce waste and can be used for a long time. You don't need to touch it with your hands in the toilet. You just need to press it, and you have to tear off the tinfoil and cover it, even if the toilet has a lot of dirt and smell. The toilet bowl will be clean and have a light fragrance after flushing. This is the nano antibacterial.
Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.